Fit Fam, welcome back to Tips from Stella Fitness and day 18 of our Fit Body Challenge. We are really going strong. Just continue marching in sport with me as usual so that we warm up our bodies, preparing the heart, the muscles for this workout. If you're new, please be sure to subscribe and hit that bell button so that you receive notifications every time I upload a new video. If you're returning, I'm very happy to be having you. Today we are going to get back to the glute muscle, the back muscle, the biggest muscle in our body, working on strengthening, toning, and building. We are going to be doing 100 reps of donkey kicks and fire hydrants. The glute muscle enables us to jump, to walk, to run, to twist. So having strong glute muscles does not only help to improve the appearance and tone of your butt, but actually also helps to strengthen your body, increase agility, help prevent lower back pain, hip pain, knee pain, and general lower body pain. Make sure that you are hydrated and energized for this workout, and make sure that you take a protein within 1 hour after doing this workout. So grab your mat, let's get down to the mat and get this done. So we are going to do these two exercises alternating between the donkey kicks and the fire hydrants 20-20 so that we keep that balance. We want to grow these muscles equally. You want to get into position. We are going to begin with 20 donkey kicks. Pull your abs towards the spine, making sure that you have a flat back. It is not ached inside, and you will want to begin to kick up and back, giving me 10 per leg. Keep going, you're doing amazing. Give me 2 more on this leg, and 1 more. Pushing your leg to as high as you can, feeling those glutes working. Sharp. And 2, and 3, 4. Just give me 2 more. And 1 more, and that's 20 guys, 80 to go. Getting into the fire hydrants. Open up and back, open up and back, giving me 10 per leg and back. Keep squeezing your abs towards the spine and maintaining that back flat. Give me 2 more. I feel the burn in my legs, guys, and the other leg. So just switch up. Keep going. I feel the burn, guys. Keep going. Give me 2 more on that leg, and 1 more. And well done, guys. 40 down, 60 to go. Getting back to the donkey kicks, 10 per leg. Just begin with 1, 2. These exercises are actually also good for giving you that rounder butt, so keep going. The other leg, 1. Keep going. Make sure you have proper form. Keep breathing. Pull those abs towards the spine. And 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Well done. That is 60 down, 40 to go, guys. Give me the next fire hydrant. So we shall begin straight away. We are doing 20. Feel free to take a break anytime during this workout. Go grab some water, stretch it out. Just give me one more on that leg. 10. Well done, guys. Squeeze those abs. And the other side. With 1. We are not having mercy for the back muscles, guys. 3. Keep going. And 4. I feel that burn in my leg, guys. 5. 6. 7. 8. 9. And 10, guys. Well done. 80 down, 20 to go. Just get down into that child's pose and give me 10 seconds of stretching, catching your breath and relaxing those muscles just a little bit. Breathe in, breathe out, and just hold it right there for 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. So get up, guys. We have 20 to go to make our 100. We are going to just be doing 5 per side. So we are going to begin with 10 donkey kicks. Begin right away. We are doing 5 per side. Remember, we are doing 100 reps, guys. One more. Well done. And the other leg. Switch up, guys. If you wake up tomorrow with pain in that back muscle, don't worry, guys. It's because it is actually growing and getting activated. Just give me one more and bring it down. And the last 10, guys. That is 90. 10 to go. Give me 5 per side. Begin with 1 and 2, 3. Raising your leg to as high as you can. And 5. I feel the activation over there, guys. So just onto the other leg. 1. Pulling in those abs. Watching on your back. 2, 3, 4. Just one more and 5. Well done, guys. We have actually done it. 100 donkey kicks and fire hydrants. So we just want to get into that final stretch. Just get down onto your back safely. We are going to stretch out into that bridge. Press your hands into your mat. Bring on that pelvic tilt to have a flat back. And you want to raise your body off the ground, stretching out those glutes and feeling that gentle stretch in the thighs, in your hips. We are just holding this for 30 seconds, guys. Just holding simply. Nothing complicated. Keep holding it right there. Keep going. Keep breathing in and out. Keep breathing in and out. Just hold for 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and come down slowly. You want to give me some knee hugs. So you want to bring your knees towards your chest and you want to hold them. You want to begin rocking slowly side to side, and you want to feel that gentle stretch in your hips, in your back. Holding this for another 30 seconds as well. You can hold it for longer if you like the stretch. I really love stretching. It feels good over there. So just continue holding this right there, giving me some rocking from left to right, left to right. Keep going for 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Well done, guys. You want to roll onto your side and you want to get up and sit up straight. You want to breathe in and breathe out. Breathe in and breathe out. One more time. Breathe in and breathe out. Coming to the end of our power butt glute strengthening workout. A high five if you've made it this far. Thank you very much for joining me today. Don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up and leave me a comment if you have any questions or something to tell me. Don't forget to share it with your friends and family on social media. Invite them to come over, join us in our fit body challenge. Guys, we are doing 30 days of that fit body. We want to be fit for health. Don't forget to connect up with me me on Facebook, Instagram, Twitter and Pinterest, because I do share lots of wellness and useful tips over there too. It means a lot to me when you get to join my growing family on here, so don't forget to subscribe and hit that bell button so that you receive notifications every time I upload a new video. Don't forget to check out my other videos as well. See you in tomorrow's video, and don't forget to love yourself first and keep fit for health. Bye bye.